afternoon, or evening, ladies and gentlemen. How is everybody doing today? I hope this video finds you well and in good spirits, guys. I hope you were able to relax and enjoy your weekend and have a little fun and kind of take a break from school for the past couple of days. Um, this is your agenda video for the week of May 10th to May 14th. So we'll be going through exactly what we're going to be doing for the next few days and for this week so that everybody's on the same page and everybody knows exactly what's going to be happening and exactly what we're going to be doing. All right, guys? So for today, the first thing I want you to make sure that you do, I want you to go to your attendance assignment up at the top of the page under classwork, and I want you to go ahead and make sure that you click turn in. That is how I know you checked out my Google Classroom. That's how I know you logged onto this page. And I mark you present and absent based on this. So please make sure that you check that out. Please make sure that you click turn in for that so that you are marked present for the day. All right? The plan for today and what we're going to be doing today as far as schoolwork is concerned, if you click on today's assignment, which I've already posted, there is a PDF. It is a workbook assignment for you guys to work on. All you got to do is just read this lesson summary about the Texas Revolution and answer the questions on the right-hand side. All right, guys? You're going to go through that. Don't worry about the challenge activity. You don't have to do that, but you just have to answer these 5 questions that are on the right-hand side, and I want you to go through it, and I want you to look at and read this. Okay, guys, because we are going to be going over this tomorrow and Wednesday in class. So please make sure you have this done for tomorrow and Wednesday in class. All right, guys? Before we do this, though, on Tuesday and Wednesday, so that's what we're doing today. Tomorrow and Wednesday, guys, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look through these documents. So please make sure that you take and look this over and read these. That'll be what we do in class in the morning. So my fault, you don't have to do that right now. You can do this tomorrow and Wednesday when you come into class. That's going to be your bell ringers, just to look over these and read these. So, excuse me, we're going to talk about these. We're going to discuss these and stuff like that, guys. And then for the second half of class, live Tuesday and Wednesday, what we are going to do is we're going to talk about the Texas Revolution. Okay, so that's the plan for tomorrow and Wednesday. That's what we're going to do. While we are doing that in class for the live lesson, the digital lesson, I'm going to have you guys watch a video on the Mexican-American War. So here is, by the way, here is the link for the Mexican-American War, guys, for you guys to be able to watch that. If YouTube links don't work on your Chromebook, then what I want you to do, I want you to go ahead and I want you to go to YouTube. I want you to type in the Mexican-American War, a dash between Mexican and American, and then put a dash between war and explained in 16 minutes. This is the video you're looking for. This is the one you're trying to find, guys. This is what I want you to watch, okay? So if the link doesn't work, what you can do is you can go ahead and click on, search it and click on this link to access it through YouTube itself. If that doesn't work, then we'll try to figure out a different method and a different way to do that, okay, guys? But we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to watch that Tuesday, Wednesday, and then if you have any time, any other time for the digital lesson, you're going to work on the Unit 8 quiz review sheet, okay? So this is what the review sheet looks like. Like I said, your quiz is going to have 20 questions. One of those questions is a document-based question, so you're looking at a document and then trying to figure out what that document says and what the best answer for that question is. So I really couldn't put that on here, guys. I couldn't put the document on here and didn't want to put the document on here. It's basically reacting to the document. So that's all it is, guys. There is one extra question on here that's not going to be on the quiz. Everything else will help you. All these other questions will help you a lot when taking the quiz. All right, guys, so please make sure you do that. Please make sure you take some time to work on that and to do that, okay? So that is Tuesday, Wednesday, the digital lesson, Thursday, Friday. For the live lesson, we're going to talk about westward expansion, and mainly we're going to talk about the Mexican-American War. And then for the digital lesson for Thursday and Friday, you guys are going to work on this review sheet and complete this review sheet. The other thing I want you to go ahead and do, I told you guys in class, and I'm going to remind you all this week, you guys can create a 3x5 index card to use for the quiz that we are going to have next week, Thursday and Friday. All right? This is me letting you know that we are having that quiz next week, Thursday and Friday. And because there were so many different topics and so many different subjects that we talked about, I'm going to let you guys use a 3x5 index card, make a little cheat sheet on that index card. You can use the front and the back. However small you can write it, that's what you're doing. But you can basically take the review sheet and put it on an index card and use that to answer the questions. Okay, guys? Do not waste this opportunity. Do not look at this and go, yeah, I'm not making this index card. That would be a huge waste of time. That would be a huge waste of an opportunity. And it's a huge waste of a 100% on that quiz. You guys have plenty of time to make this 3x5 card. If anybody needs a 3x5 card, I will be offering you guys 3x5 cards in class, and I'll be offering you extras in case you lose it. All right? So please make sure you do the 3x5 index card. Don't just say, I don't need it, I'm fine. It will help you a lot. You'll be able to get a higher grade having that index card rather than not having that index card. So do the index card, please, guys. All right? So that's what you're going to do for Thursday and Friday. You're going to answer the questions on the review sheet. There's only 20 of them. They are pretty simple questions. You can find all of the information from the Google Slides that we have created and we have made and we've used to talk about the different topics and stuff like that. So make sure you use those. Make sure you take a look at those. You should be able to find them throughout Unit 8, guys. If we click View More, live lesson on the War of 1812, live lesson on Andrew Jackson. So that would have the two things that you need there, guys. The Industrial Revolution would be right here. The Texas Revolution would be right here. So everything you need to know about every single one of those topics is all in the Unit 8 topic on Google Classroom. You should have no problem finding it so long as you are in classwork. All right, guys? So that's what you're going to be doing Thursday and Friday is completing this review sheet. And that'll wrap up what we are going to be doing this week. Next week is going to be review and quiz. So it'll be a pretty simple, straightforward week, guys. All right? If anybody has any questions, please reach out to me. Please let me know, and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. All right? With that said, guys, have a fantastically awesome day. I will see you guys next week. Or I'll see you guys actually tomorrow and tomorrow and Wednesday. I can't do English today. What else is new? I'll see you guys tomorrow and Wednesday when we are in class. All right? Have a fantastic day, guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow and Wednesday. Have a great day.